Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sachin Patil, consultant brain and spine surgeon at Noble Hospitals, Pune, and organizing co-chairperson for Diabetes and Obesity Metamorphosis Conference. Now let me tell you, last year we had this unique and inaugural conference on diabetes and obesity, and we called it Metamorphosis because we had faculties from various fields coming on one platform and discussing about this current global pressing health issue. And let me tell you, it was a huge success. So this year we are stepping a step ahead by doing it much bigger, much better, and doing it internationally. So we are thrilled to announce the second and international edition of Diabetes and Obesity Metamorphosis Conference, wherein we'll have expert, eminent international faculty, not only physicians and endocrinologists, but also cardiologists, surgeons, pediatric surgeons, gynecologists, pediatricians, fetal medicine experts, nutritionists, geneticists, and all other specialties offering diverse perspective on diabetes prevention and obesity-related complications and innovative therapies. So the highlight of this conference are going to be keynote sessions, panel discussions, and interactive workshops designed to foster the collaboration and drive impactful solutions. So get ready for this year's biggest medical feast at Hotel Hyatt Regency on 27th to 29th of June with 6 MMC credit points approved at Diabetes and Obesity Metamorphosis Conference. Abstract submissions and registrations are open. Thank you very much.